VC Pro Series VRF is very flexible for high-rise buildings. The total piping length is up to 1,000 meters. The longest piping length is 200 meters. Level difference is up to 110 meters between indoor units and outdoor units, and 30 meters between indoor units. Besides, we designed the multi-channels liquid cooling system for PCB, and double U-shaped refrigerant pipe can decrease the IPM temperature and enhance the reliability. In addition, VC Pro Series VRF can detect the temperature and pressure of the refrigerant, charging the refrigerant automatically when it is insufficient.